Hi there, and welcome to the Device and Status feature. We'll go over the Device and Status feature inside the Store section of CronySoft BackOffice. This page is used to check the current connection status of the devices and services connected with your POS and BackOffice. To access it, go to the Store menu, then select Devices and Statuses, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the page opens, you will see a list of devices or services that are connected to your CronySoft system. This may include services such as Crony services, weighing scale devices, electronic shelf tags, and other connected hardware or back-office related services. The main purpose of this page is to help you quickly see whether your devices are running properly or if something needs attention. First, review the connected devices. If a device or service is working correctly, it will appear as active or connected. This tells you that the device is currently communicating with your POS or back-office system. Next, look for any warning or disconnected status. If a device gets connected because of a power issue, internet issue, back-end service issue, or any other connection problem, the system may show that device as shut down, disconnected, or highlighted with a red status. This helps you quickly identify which device or service is having a problem. For example, if your electronic shelf tags are not communicating properly, you may see a warning or red status for that service. This tells you that the connection needs to be checked. If you see a disconnected device, first check the basic setup. Make sure the device has power, the cables are connected properly, and the internet connection is working just fine. For wireless devices, also make sure the device is within range and powered on. If the issue still continues, you can create a support ticket directly from the screen. To create a ticket, click the ticket or start button shown on the page. Then enter a short message explaining the issue. For example, you can mention that the electronic shelf tags are not connected, the weighing scale is not responding, or a Crony service appears to be shut down. Once you submit the ticket, the request will be sent to the CronySoft technical support team. After that, someone from the support team will review the issue and contact you to help resolve it. The device and status page is useful because it gives you one place to monitor your connected hardware and services. Instead of guessing what is wrong, you can quickly see which device is active, which one is disconnected, and when support may be needed. And that's it for the device and status feature in CronySoft BackOffice. In the next video, we'll continue with the next option inside the store module, which is registers. So I'll see you guys in our next video.